Today I'm going to show you how you can make the dove picture or frame in the papers. It is a good design that you can use in different kind of decoration. In order to make the dove frame or picture, we will need this paper. We need also the scissor. Then let's go. We start taking this paper. We're gonna to make it like this, we're gonna this is triangle, then we search this point in the middle, then you can change like this and like this, then we cut. After cutting, we're gonna see this kind of picture. This is kind of a design. We're gonna to transform this design in the dove. Let's make so many design. First, as we said, we must make a triangle. Then we search in the middle. Then now let's make the dog from our design. This is the head, these are the wings, these are the rear part of the dove. Let's make a head. To make a head, we're gonna cut like this. See? This is the head we are making. Don't forget to put the eye in the head with the pen. We're gonna make the rear part. This is the dove which is flying. See? Let's again transform the wings. It is a dove. We're gonna make a fry our doves. You see, our doves are frying, our doves are frying, our doves are frying. That you have made them in the paper. This is kind of decoration. You can make them for all purpose. You see that our doves are frying so quickly, fry so quickly. You see, our doves are frying. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to make share, like and subscribe on my channel How to Art. How can you make frying doves in the paper? In this video I'm going to show you how you can make them fry my doves, fry my doves. You see, these are the doves that you have made in the paper. Are frying so quickly.